and welcome back to this new video. Today we prepare together a delicious recipe for the health of your kidneys. Many of you answered my poll, so now we prepare together a kidney-friendly recipe. This recipe is rich in fiber and thanks to the beneficial properties of the ingredients that I will use, it will help you to deal better not only your health but also your mood. So stay tuned because every week a recipe will be published in this channel. So subscribe now and don't forget to tap the notification bell. If you have something to ask, comment below. I will answer you as soon as possible or in my next video. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients are 1 zucchini, parsley, half red bell pepper, 200 grams of pasta, cauliflower, green olives, mackerel, 1 onion, water, olive oil. First, slice the vegetables and onion into small pieces, except the olives. In a pot, pour some water. Boil the water. Pour some olive oil in a pan and let it heat up a little. Add the diced onion and cook until lightly brown. Onions are rich in flavonoids, quercetin, the powerful antioxidant that works to reduce heart diseases and protects against different types of cancers. Onions are low in potassium and a good source of chromium, a mineral that helps with carbs, fat, and protein metabolism. Once our onion is browned, add some parsley. Put the pasta into boiling water. Stir during cooking to prevent the pasta from sticking. In the pan, put all the vegetables and mix to brown them. Take a ladle of water from the pot and put it in the pan. Cover the pan with the lid. Drain the pasta when it is al dente. Put the pasta in a bowl and let it cool. To keep pasta from sticking together, pour a little olive oil. Add the olives to the pasta. Olives help controlling blood pressure and protect against anemia. Olives are a source of dietary fiber as an alternative to fruits and vegetables. Olives contain oleic acid, which has beneficial properties to protect the heart. Add the mackerel. The mackerel, a fatty fish, is rich in omega-3 fatty acids which contribute to lowering levels of cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and even lowering high blood pressure. Mackerel is highly beneficial to protect our heart and our cardiovascular system, positively helping in preventing a variety of cardiovascular diseases. Mix the vegetables in the pan until the water is completely absorbed. Turn off the heat and let everything cool. When the vegetables are cold, put them in the pasta. Mix everything. Our delicious dish is ready. This is 1 portion. Enjoy your meal! So, did you guys enjoy the video? If yes, please like and share it. Thank you for watching. Magandang umaga rin po sa lahat ng mga kababayan ko na nanonood dito sa channel ko at maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta at sa pag-like at comments. Please mag-comment po kayo at sasagutin ko rin po. Buongiorno anche ai miei amici e parenti che seguono il mio canale YouTube. Volevo tanto ringraziarvi per il supporto e vi mando un saluto.